Hi, friends. This is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with the January subscription box for DEK Designs, and I'm super excited. It's a whole new year, so whole new planners, all new good stuff. So let's get to it. I took it out of the envelope. It also comes with like a piece of cardboard that keeps it fresh in the envelope, so nothing is damaged, and that is super nice. And the other thing is we get the extra envelope here, which is so nice as well. Okay, so here we go. Let me see. I'm going to, that's what it looked like. It looked like these were, look at all the little extra snowflakes. All right, I'm going to put those right back in. Those will be great for projects. I think that's going to be fun. All right, I love that it comes in an envelope now. I'm able to keep it separate and then just use it throughout the month. And it really is nice. I try to put all of my January goodies in that envelope and then I can work on it. So, all right, let's read along. It says, Happy New Year 2022. Whoops, I found another snowflake. And another one. I think I'm going to find a few of these. May the new year bring you happiness, peace, and prosperity. Wishing you a joyous 2022. Our new Mohawk sheet labels are used in this subscription. We plan on returning to previous labels once the pulp shortage is over. We would love to hear what you think about the Mohawk paper. Tip, place sticky side of the sticker on hand before placing on paper. This makes it easier to move around. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Dawn, Emily, and Katie. All right, guys. So that is great. Now let's take a peek. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. That is so sweet. Yeah, it's a nice little bookmark. And actually, I've got a book I'm going to read and take with me. So I'm just going to put that, well, I'll set it right here and then I'm going to take it with me. All right, well, look at this last and this last. And I really like to start with the paper. It kind of sets a nice backdrop. Oh, more snowflakes. All right, so this is gorgeous. I love pinks and greens, as many of you know. And this almost has like a teal tinge to it, so it's really pretty. I think, oh, look at that. Kind of a farm check with pink and black. I love that. And that is really pretty. I love the gold touches on that. That is so pretty. And, ooh, here it is again. It's kind of a mustardy gold color. Really pretty. Okay, I love florals, and that plaid is so pretty. Ooh, that is beautiful. All the roses. I love those colors. Such pretty colors. And here is vellum, as you can see. So beautiful. And then we have the farmhouse check, which is just the black and the white check. And then we also have this absolutely charming, kind of Christmassy, after Christmas, I guess, maybe, print. Very sweet. Okay, so that is the color of the paper. So pretty. And then we've got, hold on one second. Okay, I think I can get it. We've got beautiful washi. So let me see here. We've got this one. Ooh, so pretty. And it's kind of a see-through-ish. Let me see. Whoops. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. There we go. And then I've got this one here. So really pretty. Love that farmhouse plus your, the typical DEK bow, which is so nice. And I really, I love washi. I always say washi is one of the most affordable things you can use in your crafting, planning, etc. So you get the most bang for the buck. And I love that when it has the little, it looks like to me like little balls, or maybe it's lanterns, however you want to see that. I think it's really pretty. Oh, whoops, again. My apologies. There we go. Hey, we are in here. We are adjusting today. So, okay, now, oh, look. These are so cute. So these look like wax seals. That one, of course, is a snowflake. And let me see if I can pull this out. You guys can see it better. And I need to see what the other one is as well, because I'm sitting back. It's hard for me to see. Alrighty, here we go. And that one is, oh, kind of a winter scene. That's pretty. It's hard to see it, but there's trees and it looks like there's a moon and maybe a mountain. Very pretty. I'm trying to kind of turn it so maybe you guys can see it. So very fun, very different, beautiful bow and bookmark, another page marker, which I will totally enjoy. And oh, just so pretty. I love that. Love, love, love that. So pretty. Okay, and then our sticky note pad, which I just think is so cute. So there is that same ornament kind of hanging on a string, a bow, and a bunch of snowflakes with the snowman. So cute. So cute. So I love everything farmhouse. So, all right, we're going to go through this. So we have another little envelope, which I love these. I love to use these in memory journals. You can put them in like this or like this, however, what size book you're working from. And then you can save, you know, ticket stubs, things maybe that you don't want to attach down in your memory planner, memory album, however you're doing your scrapbooking. So I love those. Those are so nice. So let's see here what's in there. So we have the Ephemera, which I love, and that is got a really nice finish. It's got a little bit of a iridescent halo type. I don't know if you guys, I think you guys can see that. And then here we go again, another one with that same kind of iridescent snowflake finish on it. And I love that. That's so pretty. And of course, these are all sticker. Those are cardstock. And here is a planner. And looks like some rain boots. Really cute. And then just a pretty flower and snowflakes. So pretty. And there is that cute, cute, cute snowman. Definitely on a halo finish. Really pretty. And it is a sticker as well. Okay, so we've got, let me see here. No, I had it the right way. Beautiful halo glitter silver finish. And it is beautiful. I think it's Halo Sparkle is what it's called. So really, really pretty. All kinds of flourishes and snowflakes and things like that. Here are some just beautiful frames that are always fun to use. Let's see, bling in the new year. I'm ready for new opportunities. Happy New Year 2022. This is my year. And then here are the swatches of the paper again, and then where it says January, January. So these are fantastic. I love that we get the monthly, month stickers, and it just helps to get so many of those. So I guess I'll start with the monthly first, and then I'll go to the weekly. So if you don't know, these kits are so great. You can use them throughout the month in various ways, from planner to memory keeping to journaling to Bible journaling to all kinds of ways, making cards, etc. So as you look at these kits, don't keep it just in the planner realm. Look at other things that you can make with it. So, okay, so this is the monthly. Here we get the January 2022. And then just reminders like bill due, payday, rent, to buy, cell phone, vehicle payment, and mortgage, and budget. I think that's what, yeah, budget. And then I love that 2022. And there's another 2022. Very, very pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then here is a monthly. So you have the 31 days, the days of the week. And if it doesn't quite fit, like mine won't, then you can, or may not, I'm not sure in the new planners, you can literally cut these apart and use them as you need them. So, and I love it. So never feel like, oh, I've got the wrong size, I can't use the kit. You can always use the kit. You can always adapt these stickers for any kit. So here is the sidebar, and then just extra goodies along the way, some headers, and just all kinds of fun different things that you can use in your planner on your monthly spread. And now let's look at the weekly, and then we will be finished. So I really, really love these kits. You really get a huge, huge bang for your buck. I mean, seriously, when you start looking at the cost of this, and if you broke down every bit of this and ordered it individually, Yeah, it's crazy. So, oh, she's so cute, that little fox. And the same snowman, and it still has that kind of sparkle silver going on there. Love that. And then we've got more decoratives. So pretty. And then we have the washi and the days of the week, and the postage type stamp is what I call them. And then the tags, super fun. You've got the half scallops, the eyelet half scallops, the banner, another banner, and more of those, and then bow dividers, and then work. So I really love that you don't just get 2 or 4 work stickers, you get many in this kit. So I so love that. Here are the date dots for the month. Love that. And remember, you also get them in the monthly, so you can use this in the weekly. It makes it so nice. So you get double the dates. More of the quarter and eighth and habit trackers and all kinds of different squares that you can use. Some are decorative, some are functional. Just really, really great options. You get the pre-done headers, the glitter headers, the more of the type of what am I trying to say? Priority list, where your lister's got a list, however you want to use it. You also get one here that is scallop shaped, and it is so pretty to use. I love using this with the banners. And then you've got your weekend, so pretty. Ooh, look at that. So here's the, I use this for my menu Monday through Sunday. There are more of the checklist type stickers here. We've got a clipboard, and then we've got word headers or word reminders, which I love. It's so helpful. And then more beautiful, beautiful decoratives. This is fantastic for your scrapbooking, your if you have a small planner, like I also have the Hobonichi, and these are fantastic in the Hobonichi. And then here are some more opportunities to journal and record. I love using these in my journal. I love using these in scrapbooking. I love using these in Bible journaling. And I also use them in my planners. All right, so we've got 4 sets of days of the week. So that gives you a whole month of days of the week, plus the one you get with your other, and that gives you enough to do your month and your weekly. And then here are the beautiful girls. Love these girls. They are so cute, so pretty, and how much fun is that? Just looks like winter, doesn't it? Okay, guys, this is all of this month's kit. It is amazing. So remember, she mentioned in the beginning in her letter that this is a different sticker paper. They went way, way out of their way to find for us, to find something that would fit within the kit, that would be as good a quality as what has been offered in the past. And actually, it's not as cost effective for DEK, but they took the loss just to keep all the subscriptions still going. And what a kind thing to do, right? Right. Yeah, I know. So, all right, friends, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this gives you some good ideas for this month, color wise. And if you're interested in a subscription with DEK Designs, I know that February just shut down. I read that this morning, but you can sign up for March. So you want to get in. There's usually only a few spaces available extra every month. So you want to hop in one of those spaces and let that be your great cost-saving, beautiful month worth of goodies to use in all the different things you do. So, okay, friends, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I am back, and I'm glad to be here. And I appreciate everybody who was so supportive when we had to take a break and get things done here. So I hope you guys had a great Christmas. I'm wishing you each a beautiful new year, and I will be talking to you soon. Love you guys. Y'all take care. Be safe. Pardon me. Bye-bye.